Atlas and I have been traveling all day on the road, and now a blizzard's rolling in. So we're gonna try and pull off the road, pop open the truck tent, and hunker down somewhere for the night and see how it goes. I haven't used it in the snow yet, so this will be a cool experience. Feels weird, like we're being watched. I don't like it. All right, so we're all settled in. We got everything set up. It's a lot cozier than you think in here. It's probably about 28 degrees outside, and it's not supposed to get much colder tonight. So really all we're dealing with is wind and snow. I have 3 sleeping bags. I brought our double wide 40-degree sleeping bag that I keep in here for the summertime. And inside that, I'm using my 0 degrees 2-tier sleep system. And then Atlas has my 30-degree sleeping bag that I'm gonna put in here under the double wide with me later, and we'll stay plenty warm. There's no reason why we'd ever get cold in here. We've slept outside in 0 degrees in this same setup. It's gonna get dark out here pretty soon, and then we'll get something to eat. Tonight's dinner, I'm just doing a simple sandwich, making turkey breast with Carolina Reaper cheese. That's gonna be hot. All right, first bite. That's a good sandwich, but man, that Carolina Reaper cheese is hot. Whew. That is almost too spicy even for me. Cover up you. Cozy. Okay, before Atlas and I get too settled in for the night, I want to give a shout out to some of my awesome subscribers. Probably my #1 subscriber, Rick from Virginia, recently sent me Megalodon teeth. He's been supporting the channel since the very beginning, and he's helped me out in a lot of ways. Thank you, Rick. These are awesome. And this past Christmas, one of my subscribers sent me this awesome Atlas Adventures logo keychain. Hey, thanks, bro. Yeah, thank you guys. These are awesome. All right, we're really gonna settle in our sleeping bags. I'm gonna pull out the iPad, pull up a movie, and just relax for the night. All right, bedtime. Good night, Atlas. All right, good night.
I slept great. It's a little brisk out here right now. We're about 25 degrees. We're gonna get up, make some coffee.
Yeah, it's okay.
Frozen stiff.